Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. And if you want to stop Hostinger from automatically renewing your subscription, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. So let's get started. First of all, open a web browser on your mobile device and go to Hostinger's official website, that is www.hostinger.com. From there, make sure that you are logged into your account by clicking on the option saying login. And once you have logged into your account, you will be redirected to the dashboard of Hostinger, from which click on the hamburger option on the top left corner of the screen. From there, search for the option saying billing and click on it. From here, click on the option saying subscription. Here you will see a list of your active subscription, including your hosting plan, domains and other services. Find the subscription for which you want to stop auto renewal. Click on the manage option on the specific subscription. From there, search for an option saying auto renewal. Toggle or button and turn it off. Once you have disabled auto renewal, you will receive a confirmation message and your subscription will not renew automatically when it expires. Keep in mind that turning off auto renewal doesn't cancel your current subscription. Your services will remain active until the expiration date. And that's it. Turning off auto renewal in Hostinger is quick and simple. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Comment down if you have any queries, and thank you for watching.